Alright guys, we're going to do a little outdoor flight test here on the little Star Wars X15, whatever the hell it is. I can't remember the X15, X16, I don't know what the hell. Let's take it off and see how it... It's a real beauty. Put it into third rate. Thing flies really nice, man. I was really surprised at how nice this thing flew. Oh, until now. It's just got this buggy altitude hold to it. You know, it's just a little buggy. You gotta love the crashes, okay? Yeah, the altitude hold on this thing, you have to kind of constantly be maintaining the lift on it. You have to constantly be pushing up on the stick. I'm going to reset the gyro. I did a flight the other day too on it outside. I didn't post a video yet, but this is the second one I've had outside here. You see how it, yeah, whenever you pitch it too much, it wants to just dive to the ground. So you can't, you know, do those big looping turns like I do with the, with the pitch like that. You're probably going to have to turn it down into the first rate to do those kind of maneuvers. I think I tore up the prop guards a little bit, but that's no big deal. Who cares? I don't like prop guards anyway. But they do work good up for this thing. I recommend using them for this. So let's give it another shot. Wreck number 2. Let's see if we can go for 3. 3 crashes. Yeah, when you pitch it too much forward, it wants to see, there it goes again. See, because I was pitching it. We'll do a couple flips. I might not crash doing that. Yeah, the altitude hold on this thing is a little buggy. it wasn't for that, it'd be a great flyer. You just gotta keep it in the lower rate to be able to fly around like that. If you put it in the high rate, it's just gonna dive right into the ground whenever you try to do those big looping turns like that. I mean, I'm doing it now in the third rate, but I'm going real easy on the stick. You know, when you're doing these little orbits like this, you know, which are real easy to do, by the way, if you don't know how to do them. You just push the stick forward. The pitch forward. Just keep it pressed forward, and as it's going forward, you just okay. There went a prop and the battery all at one time. Okay, it's no big deal. I have extra props, and maybe I'll find it, but it went shooting over here somewhere. I really didn't get a whole lot of warning on the the battery going bad there, guys. It kind of just did that 1-2 beeps and just fell. Oh, there's the prop. So no biggie. Let me see. It's chipped up a little bit, but it'll still fly with it. But I'll put a fresh one on. You know, good thing I had the prop guards on out here in the, on the concrete. When I flew it last week, I had it out in the grass. It's always better to fly these kind of things in the grass, but I said, oh, hell with it. I'll do it over here at the court and see what happens. Well, you see what happens, right? Okay. Break a prop. I didn't break it, but it's a little bit scuffed up. But anyway, yeah, it's a great flyer, man. You just got to watch it out in the third rate. The altitude hold kind of goes a little nutty when you're in the third rate. So, yeah, that's the way it goes. It's not the end of the world. All right, guys, thanks for watching.